Small, black skin growths, known as blackheads, are frequently seen on the face, particularly on the nose, and occasionally on the back. The skin's sebaceous glands are obstructed by this plug-like structure of dark projections. They are brought on by the sebaceous glands' overactive production of sebum, an oily material that slowly solidifies when it comes into contact with microorganisms and dead skin. Sebum is exposed to airborne oxygen, where it oxidizes and turns black. These bumps, which are known as whiteheads, when they are below the pore opening and don't oxidize, look as white or yellow spots. The following are the main reasons why blackheads develop: stress, hormone adjustments, inheritance, cosmetics for unclean skin, caffeine and alcohol use. Utilize readily available household products to clear the pores and get rid of blackheads by following these straightforward, natural methods. Tomato. Using tomatoes as a face wash will help you get rid of blackheads. Natural antibacterial qualities of this fruit help to dry out blackheads. Apply a small tomato that has been peeled and mashed on the blackheads before going to bed. Leave on overnight. Then in the morning, wash your face with lukewarm water. Lemon scrub. Another all-natural remedy for treating blackheads is lemon. In a bowl, add salt and a few drops of lemon juice and stir thoroughly. Apply the mixture to the blackheads after cleansing the face with warm water. After around 20 minutes, wash your face once again with warm water. Honey massage. Honey's antibacterial properties are fantastic for treating both blackheads and greasy skin. After 15 minutes, bathe the area with warm water and apply honey to the affected region. Baking soda mask. Prepare a paste by combining baking soda and water to get rid of the oil and filth that lead to blackheads. Carefully apply to the afflicted area. Let it dry for a short while, and then rinse it off with warm water. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe to the channel if you want guidance and recipes.